Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video I will show you how can you easily temporarily disable 360 total security. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the 360 total security application on your device. Once you do, in the tab at the top left corner you see the option of protection, which is on. So simply click on it, then click on Configure. After that, go to the Balance section. At the bottom, you see the option of Disable Protection. Simply click on it and choose a time range. After you have chosen the time range, simply click on OK, and as you can see, the protection has been stopped. So that's it. That is how easily you can disable temporarily the total security feature. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.